Hi Bond Bakers, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how you can test if your bicarb soda or baking soda, same thing, works, and same with your baking powder, how to test if they're still effective. Let's start with our bicarb soda. It's really easy. All we need to do is, in a little bowl, add a little bit of this and some vinegar or some lemon juice, whatever you've got at home. And if it foams, it's all good. I'm using vinegar today, so I'll pop this in and see how it bubbles. So our baking soda, bicarb soda, is ready to rock and roll. They don't normally go off easily. However, if you've had yours in the cupboard for a while and you want to check anyways, this is a good way to make sure that your cake is going to rise beautifully when you're baking. Next up, we're going to test our baking powder, and this one has the addition of the dry acidic ingredient of cream of tartar. So we just need to add it to moisture, and we're going to use our hot water, and if it bubbles and foams, then we know that it's fine to use. I've just boiled my kettle, so this is ready to go, and see how that foams? Beautiful. A quick little test up front to make sure that your leavening agents are effective can save you a lot of heartache down the track if you find out later on that your cake didn't rise just how you wanted it to. If you're interested, I also have a video up about the differences between bicarb soda and baking powder, how you can substitute them for one another, and also how you can make baking powder. I'll leave that link in the description below. It's just such a quick and easy test, and will give you a lot of peace of mind and give you the confidence to make sure that these agents are going to work in your baking. I hope that this is going to help you with your baking. Please make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Le Bon Baker, for all tips, tricks, and recipes for the home baker. See you again next week.